Compatibility. The filter bag is compatible with DXV12P, DXV14P, DXV16P, DXV16PA, DXV16S. High quality. The vacuum dust bag is sturdy and durable, with a high efficiency of filtering dust. Function. Pick up dust and debris, saves time for cleaning the vacuum cleaner. Easy to use. Unfold the bag and put the rubber seal and cardboard in the right position. What you get: 3 Pack DXVA19-4102 vacuum filter bags. DEWALT disposable dust bag, fits 12 to 16 gallon wet or dry vacuum.Package, include 3-pack vacuum bags. Whether you are cleaning your garage, workshop, indoor floors, cleaning your car, or cleaning up outdoors, the DEWALT filter may clean up easier, quicker, and more efficient. The filter bags is compatible with DEWALT wet-dry vacuums DXV12P, DXV14P, DXV16P, DXV16PA, DXV16S. It can be cleaned up in a short time, saving you time and effort. Top reviews from the United States. Nice product. Great product and good price on Amazon.